Good afternoon, Southern California. I'm John Baldwin with John Hart Real Estate, and today is January 24th. It's been a wild day on the stock market. Been watching this. As you can see, I have CNBC on in front of you, and the market, the Dow was down over 800 points not long ago. It's been fluctuating. I've seen it go back down to this 400 range, then bound down to about 560, and then now back up to 424.64. We're in the last hour of trading. It's been a wild day, but typically as realtors, we kind of like to see bad days on the stock market, even though it can hurt our buyers' down payment if they have their money sitting in stocks. But the reason being, and this is very specific, the reason we like bad days on the stock market from an interest rate standpoint is when the stock market has a bad day like this, a lot of that money, instead of going into stocks, will go into the mortgage-backed securities market, and we'll have a good day for interest rates. So I know it's a little counterintuitive. You may have lost some down payment money, but typically, this is, again, counterintuitive. When you have a bad day on the stock market, it is a good day for interest rates. So, but there's more, I think, of interest here. Like right now, gold is not really moving. And we were talking about hedges against inflation in some of my previous videos. Now, I want to jump over to crypto because that was something else we were talking about. And as you can see here, crypto's a little up today. But if you remember, crypto was up over 40,000, 43,000 just about a week or 10 days ago. It's been getting bombarded. And if you remember the last year, it was up at almost 69,000. So if crypto was as good a hedge against inflation, I think we'd be seeing crypto having a big rally right now, not having over 2 weeks of losses here and really several months of losses as it corrects from that really high 69,000 to where we are about half that right now. So definitely stuff to watch. This is a real interesting market, and now here we are back. The stock market's down only 370 now. So this could be a lot of people repositioning based on the geopolitical stuff going on with Ukraine and Russia, the European Union. Who knows what China's reacting to this? So lots of interesting stuff going on. But I also think one of the things that might be factoring into this is just people, kind of what's going to happen. Is this going to go into bigger things? I saw another article that said we're about to enter a bear market. So something to, a lot of interesting factors here, but let's give me a call, 213-973-3777. I'm a big believer in real estate as your hedge against inflation, because if you're buying a, single family home, duplex, triplex, quadruplex, something like that, with multifamily especially, you get the rents coming in off of the units plus the appreciation of the asset. And if you basically get to have your cake and eat it too. So why not get a performing asset that not only grows through time, but gives you current cash flow, and most of the time will cover your expense of the mortgage or whatnot. So again, let's talk about your hedge against inflation strategy, 213-973-3777, and let's get your house sold.